How to remove or unlink WhatsApp from Instagram. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Instagram. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, what you need to do is move into your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're inside the profile, you have to click on Edit Profile right over here. You will be able to see tons of different options. Scroll down and then click on Contact options. Click on WhatsApp Business Phone Number. The number that you are linked with on WhatsApp will be available to you in this page. If you want to add a different number, then simply enter a different number. Or if you want to remove it, then click on it and then remove it. This way your WhatsApp will be unlinked from Instagram and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.